Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Phonics Online. Today we are doing a Phase 3 lesson, and we are going to learn the sounds W and V for W and V. So W and V. Okay, so you are going to need your Phase 3 sound mat with you today. You're also going to need a whiteboard and a pen to get started. Okay, let's do this. So we're just going to revise some of our Phase 2 diagraphs. First of all, we need to remember what a diagraph is, okay? A diagraph is two letters that makes one sound, okay? Two letters that make one sound, all right? Let's do it all together. Two letters that make one sound. Well done. Okay, so these are our Phase 2 diagraphs. We have th, we have sh, sh, we have s, and we have l. Okay, say them with me. Sh, sh, s, s, and l, l. Okay, in these two cases, the digraphs make the same sound as if it were just one phoneme, just one S or one L, but when they are together, they're a digraph, they make the same sound. They're often found at the end of the word. Okay, we're going to have a little practice. So you guys, I just want to give you a second. This here is Thanos. I'm sure many of you know Thanos. Okay, I want to give you a second. I want you to write Thanos on your whiteboard. Okay, you should have written the word Thanos. Let's have a look to see if you spelled it correctly. There we go. Okay, Thanos has a capital letter because it's a name. Here's the diagraph. Thanos. Well done if you got that one correct. Okay, the next one is a ship. It is a ship. This is a ship from the UAE. You need to write ship on your whiteboard. Ship. Okay, let's have a look at the word ship, see how you spelt it. There we go. This one's got the digraph at the beginning as well. So sh, I, p, ship. Okay, moving on to the next one with this. This is a picture of a chessboard. So chess is the word you need to write here, chess. Okay, let's have a look, see if you did it correctly. There we go, there's the spelling of chess. It has two digraphs, ch, s. Okay, one at the beginning as well, chess. And the last word I want you to write on your whiteboard, these are windmills in the UAE, but the word you need to write is just mill, mill for windmill. Okay, let's have a look, see if you did that one correctly. Here we go. Mill. Okay, so those are four of our digraphs from Phase 2. If you've got all four of those correct, you can give yourself one tick on your whiteboard, which will be a class dojo later on. Well done to you. Okay, let's get started with the teaching of the V and the W. If any of you know that this here is a VW, it stands for Volkswagen. Okay, so the letter V makes the V sound. The V sound. Okay, so we are going to have a go at sounding out some of these words. Okay, so the first word that we're going to sound out here is van. Let's do it together first. So we put our hands together and we do v, van. Okay, have a go at writing that. Van. So v, van. I hope you were all able to spell that. Okay, the next word we're going to look at is volcano. Okay, so we're going to have a go at sounding that out. It's a longer word, but we can still sound it out. Okay, so we start together. V-O-L-K-A-N-O. Volcano. Okay, have a go at this one. It's tricky, but just see if you can spell it. Make sure you get the initial V sound correct. Okay, so here is the spelling of volcano. V-O-L-K-A-N-O. Okay? Volcano. Well done if you got that one right. Okay, and the last one on our list here is a Viking. A Viking. Okay, we're not going to sound out Viking, but I want you to have a go at writing the word Viking anyway. Viking. Okay, here's the spelling of Viking. You can see it here. I don't need you to spell the whole word correctly. If you did, you can give yourself an extra tick. But did you get that initial V sound correct? So van, volcano, and Viking all begin with V. Okay, let's move on to W, the W sound. So here, W makes the W sound. Okay, the first one here we have is web. Okay, let's see if we can sound out web together. So W, E, B, web. Okay, let's do that one more time. W, E, B, web. That's how we sound out web. Have a go at writing it on your whiteboard. Web. Okay, let's have a look, see how we got on. There is the spelling of web. W-E-B. Web. Well done to you if you got that correctly. Okay, the next word we have beginning with W is wand. Wand. Okay? Wand. Have a go at writing wand. See how you would spell wand. Wand is a tricky word. We can't really sound it out, but make sure you get that initial sound. There we go. That's how you spell it. W at the beginning, okay? And finally, we have watermelon, okay? Also a tricky word because water can't be sounded out, but have a go at writing it on your whiteboard and see if you can get the initial sound. Okay, there we go. There it is. So watermelon, also beginning with the W sound. Okay, so we have the V, which makes the V sound for van, for volcano, for Viking. Okay, and we have W, which makes the W sound for web, for wand, and for watermelon. Okay, if you are able to spell van and web correct, you can give yourself one tick on your whiteboard, which will equal a dojo. If you manage to spell Viking, which is a very tricky word, you can have another one. Okay, so let's move on, guys. We're going to play a game of 5 in 50. Okay, I am going to set a 50-second timer, and what I want you to do is come up with 5 words, first of all, beginning with V, so that have the V sound at the beginning. Okay, so V words. You need to write 5 on your whiteboard, and I'm going to give you 50 seconds. So V words. Words beginning with V. 50 seconds, off you go. Okay, that's half of your time done. Okay, stop. Put your whiteboard pens down. Okay, so you should have got 5 words. 5 words. Let's have a look at some of the options you could have had. Okay, so these are some words that I wrote that begin with the V sound. There are many, many more. So if you're not sure of an answer, you can check with your friend or check with your teacher to check that you've spelt it correctly. Okay, but if you have any of these, then you did well. So we have victory, we have vein, so what your blood runs through in your veins. We have very, I'm sure you guys use very in your writing. Vast, meaning very big or huge. Vote. Who did you vote for in the student council elections? We have violin. Okay, people that can play the violin are very talented. We have the planet Venus. We have a vase and village. Okay, so all these words are beginning with V. You only need to get 5 of them correct. If you got 5 of them correct, you can give yourself a tick on your whiteboard. Remember, it doesn't have to be these 5, but any 5 words with the V sound at the beginning. Check with your teacher if you are not sure. Okay, we are playing again. I'm going to reset the timer. Okay, we've got 50 seconds on the clock there. I've stopped that. Words. So same again, but this time we're looking for words beginning with w. Okay, you have to come up with 5. Let's see what you've got. Okay, that's half of your time. And stop. Put your whiteboard pens down. Okay, let's have a go and look at the w words and see how many w words you got correct. Okay, 5 is what you need to get. 5. Okay, so here are some that I came up with. Okay, we had word first of all. Hopefully everybody got word. Then we have work, will, win, wake, as in I will wake up late tomorrow. Wait, wind, wiggle, watch, and weather. Okay, all of those words are beginning with w. If you got 5 words, and remember, it doesn't have to be these ones, any word that you know begins with w is fine. Okay, so give yourself a tick if you got those 5 correct as well. Now, what I've got here is just a set of some more words beginning with the w sound, but these actually use the digraph WH. This is a digraph you're going to learn when you get to phase 5. But just so you're aware, sometimes W and H make a digraph which makes the same w sound. Okay, so you could have had any of these, but you can also have any of these. I just want you to be aware of that digraph, which you will learn in phase 5. Okay, well done everybody. Right, we're going to do some segmenting and blending now. So I am going to say a word and you guys are going to have a go at, first of all, saying the word, because I'm going to segment it, you're going to blend it. And then I want you to have a go at writing it. Okay, so we're just going to do one at a time. We don't need the clock. Let's go. Okay, so the first word we're going to say is w-i-sh. W-i-sh. 3 sounds. What word did I say? Write it down, tell your partner. Okay, that word was wish. Well done if you got that correctly. W-I-sh. Wish. Well done to you. Okay, so the next word that I'm going to segment. V-a-n. V-a-n. Okay, what word did I say? Well done if you got that. I am going to segment the word. V-I-x-e-n. 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 Okay, 5 sounds in that one. What word did I say? Okay, I did indeed say vixen. Well done if you got that correct. A vixen is a lady fox. Okay, all segmented sounds there. Okay, next one. Ready? W-I-N-T-er. I'll do it again. W-I-N-T-er. Again, 5 sounds. What word did I say? And yes, if you got that correct, I said winter. W-I-N-T-er. A digraph. I am going to segment v-est. V-est. What word did I say? Okay, that word was vest. Well done if you got that correctly. Vest. Vest. Okay, well done everybody. You have learned the v sound and the w sound today. They can be found in the middle and the end of the words as well. But today I want you to focus on seeing if you can find this initial sound. So any words with the initial sound v or the initial sound w. Okay, excellent work. Don't forget any words you're not sure of. You can go and check them with your teacher and have a lovely rest of the day.